Welcome to the Healing Butterfly channel. Today's video is focused on the essential steps to practice self-love for individuals healing from trauma. Self-love for trauma survivors involves creating a safe, nurturing relationship with yourself. It's about rebuilding trust within, allowing yourself to feel emotions without judgment, and recognizing that your experiences don't define your worth. Healing through self-love is gentle, intentional, and rooted in self-compassion. Why is self-love important for trauma healing? Firstly, it rebuilds self-worth. Trauma often damages self-esteem. Self-love helps restore your belief in your value. Secondly, it supports emotional healing. It creates space to process difficult emotions without guilt or shame. Thirdly, it encourages safety. Trauma survivors often feel unsafe in their own bodies. Self-love helps cultivate an internal sense of security. The fourth step is, it promotes resilience. Loving yourself builds strength to navigate triggers and setbacks during the healing process. Lastly, it fosters growth. Self-love allows you to embrace life again, one step at a time. The next topic of discussion is how to practice self-love while healing from trauma. The first step is to be patient. Healing is not linear. Accepting the progress may come with ups and downs. Secondly, create safe spaces by surrounding yourself with people and environments that feel supportive and non-judgmental. Limit exposure to triggers when possible, and create boundaries to protect your space. The third step is practicing grounding techniques. Trauma can make you feel disconnected from reality. Ground yourself by focusing on your senses. Do some deep breathing exercises and focus on things you can see, hear, or touch in the present moment. Fourthly, acknowledge your strength. Recognize the courage it takes to survive and seek healing. Write down your accomplishments, even small ones, to remind yourself of your resilience. The fifth step is self-compassion over protection. Forgive yourself for moments of overwhelm or setbacks. The sixth is to seek professional support, which entails therapy. The seventh step is to embrace self-care. Eat nourishing food, sleep enough to recharge, and journal your emotions daily if possible. Lastly, celebrate small wins. Celebrate days when you feel a little lighter or handle a trigger better than before. Trauma can make self-love unattainable, but even small acts of kindness toward yourself can spark profound healing. Thanks for listening.